Shut up, will you? I'm trying to listen.
The care in the world. A fabulous restaurant to look forward to, and my fiancé's stole German last night.
Think Douglas Hank and my husband share that?
You were a revelation. You acted the others off the stage.
Anyway, brave enough for another year at least.
I'm glad. I raised that all to myself.
Oh.
Let's get you warm, shall we? There she is. Hello, lovely. My name's Dixie, this is Ian. We're paramedics. Can you tell me your name? Claire. Right, Claire, you've been in a car crash, and we're going to get you out of here and take you into hospital, OK?
Tom, where's Tom?
Is that your husband?
OK, Claire, stay with us, darling. I'm going to pop this collar on and get you out of here, OK?
Claire, what happened?
Very timely. Is it Tom?
Peter Honeyford, her husband. Tom's our baby. Where is he? Is he okay?
In cases of child abduction, the first few hours are crucial. They're sometimes referred to as the golden hours.
Abduction? Why would anyone want to take a baby? He's only 4 months old. They couldn't... Oh, no, please.
There'll be an all-ports alert on every airport, railway station and ferry terminus. And with your permission, we'd like to set up a press conference. Let the media help us for a change.
Holby City Hospital has the following statement. Mrs. Honeyford suffered serious injuries in a road traffic collision, but is in a stable condition and is expected to make a full recovery.
I made a few too many, and I know how partial you are to my scones. Shall I put the kettle on?
Actually, Maeve, it's not a good time. I'm just about to go out.
Then why don't we pop them in the cake tin and I'll drop back later?
I'll do it.
Bring him back. Take him to a safe place and inform the police.
Cold ice.
Please.
Pardon?
Don't hurt.
The father.
We ask members of the public to be vigilant.
I wouldn't be surprised if there was more to him than meets the eye.
I'm sorry, Maeve. I've got to get going.
Poor little mite. I doubt they'll find him now.
Bye now. We'll catch up later.
I'll give you some pain relief in the ambulance and we'll get you off to the hospital, OK? Do you want to get some details, Six?
I'm so sorry, Maeve.
It was an accident, pet.
Do you want to come with the ambulance with her?
No. I mean, I can't right now. I'll come along later.
I'll just have to make do with this strapping young man. Onward, James. And don't spare the horses.
You're carried your weights, my lady.
Has she got any family we can contact?
Her husband's dead. They've no kids. She just popped by with some scones because she baked too many. She always bakes too many.
I'm dropping a lot, does she?
I didn't mean... She's lonely. We keep each other company. My husband's away on the oil rigs.
Right, was there any loss of consciousness, dizziness, confusion?
She was in shock and a lot of pain, but that's all.
Right, well, thanks for that. Maybe you could pop by the hospital later, see how she's doing.
Yeah, well.
Bye.
He's lost the keys.
Sorry, Maeve's lost her keys. Was it all right if I have a look?
Sorry, yes.
Thanks. Someone's hungry. They were underneath the coffee table. Hello, gorgeous. Oh, are you gorgeous? What's her name?
Katie.
And that's your husband?
Yeah.
Well, she's the image of him, isn't she? I bet you're a right daddy's girl. Yes, I bet you are. Right. Well, thanks for this. Do you know Dr. Phillips?
Doesn't ring a bell.
He's a fertility consultant on Grace Darling. Very good by all accounts.
Why'd you ask?
No reason. Excuse me. Can I have a little word, please? And you don't think it's strange that a woman with a baby would have an appointment with a fertility specialist?
Maybe she was saying thank you.
Yeah, well, maybe you should check it out.
Any idea how many calls we're fielding? Look, I'll add it to the list.
OK, just hang on a minute. Excuse me. Sorry, Maeve. Can I just ask you a question? It's about your neighbour's baby.
Susie's baby?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, poor little mite. What a tragedy.
He wanted to see me. Was he OK? Was he crying?
Has she harmed him in any way?
No, he seemed healthy and looked like he was being well cared for.
I don't understand. His picture's everywhere. How didn't you recognise him?
OK, I didn't want to tell you this, but, he was dressed as a girl.
I can't listen to this.
I'm so sorry.
They'll find her. Where's she gonna hide?
Hold that.
What? Hang on, where we going?
Susie? It's Dixie, do you remember me? It's OK, you're not in any trouble. It's just, we're a bit worried about the little one. See, he's been in a car crash and we need to get him to hospital to get checked over.
How did you know where I'd be?
I saw the photo in your house of your wedding.
We had our reception in the hotel over the road. I thought my life was all mapped out. Me and Colin. Babies and grandchildren.
Maeve told me about your daughter, Katie.
She died 6 weeks last Tuesday. 15 years. 8 IVF cycles, 4 operations. My waters broke at 23 weeks. She was so tiny. She fit in the palm of my hand.
I'm sorry.
I know he's not mine. I'm just not ready to give him back.
He wants his mum. You've lost a baby. You know what that feels like. Now, I know you're not a bad person, and I know you won't wish that on anyone. Susie, no! Just stay exactly where you are! All right? Come on.
Back, please! Back. Give us some room.
All right? Right, he's right as rain. Thank you. All right? OK, all right.